Hello friends, very good morning and a warmest welcome from mysmartsupport.com. Hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you that how to use Gmail offline. Yeah, you are correct. Gmail offline means how to use Gmail when you are not connected to internet. Okay, so let's see the process how to do it, because there are a lot many times you see that there is no internet connectivity in your office and home, or sometimes your data balance is exhausted, so you are not able to recharge your mobile data pack. In this situation, don't waste your time guys. You can work on Gmail, you can write compose email, you can read emails, you can reply to emails. Okay, so let's see how to do that. This has been done by Gmail offline. So let's see how to access. First of all, let's go to Chrome. Use Chrome. If you are using Google Chrome, if you are using desktop or laptop, you can use Google Chrome. If you are using Android, you can install the app of Android. So in Google Chrome, you have to install the extension of Gmail offline. So just look for Gmail offline and you need to add it to Chrome. Okay, this extension will come here and you need to add it to Chrome. Okay, once you do this, add the app. It will, once it's done, it will look like here under this place, Chrome. Whenever you wish to access Gmail offline, you need to visit this address and click here. Once you click here, first of all you need to set up it. While setting it up, you need internet connectivity for the first time. Okay, and once it get all set up, it will ask you that whether to allow offline mail or not. Would you like to use Gmail offline to manage compose email when you are not connected to internet? Allow. Just you have to do this, allow offline mails, and click continue. Okay, that's all. You are ready. Let's see now. I am going to disconnect the internet. Okay, I have disconnected it. See, if I would open anything, it will say that internet is not connected, right? You can see here, but still I can read my mails. Yeah, okay, still I can compose new emails. Okay, I'm not connected. Yeah, okay, subject and matter. Okay, and click here on send. Right, still it is not connected to internet. Right, suppose you want to reply someone. Okay, you can reply here. Okay, and I send the reply. See what exactly happens when you can read, reply, or compose email. Whatever you do it when offline, it will be stored in outbox. Okay, I have created a new email and a reply to another, but this email will be sent one and only if whenever your internet connection is okay. When you will be connected finally to internet, it will be automatically sent, right? So now it is connected, and as you can see here, either you can synchronize or you can access it. Now you can see that it will be sent now. This is the online version, this is the offline version. You can see here now it will be automatically sent. You will see here we need not to do anything, just we need to go to C, which I have sent, right? It is in the sent box, and this is the reply which I have sent. Both are in the sent box, so the email has been sent, right? You can see here that there is nothing in the outbox, and you can also check here in the offline mode you send emails. Right, so guys, isn't it easy and it is very useful? So just try it yourself, and thanks a lot for watching. If you have any confusion regarding Gmail offline, just comment in the comment box. If you like my videos, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I would upload more useful videos like this in future. So thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye, have a nice day.